How to use saved audio in Instagram story. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the saved audio in your Instagram story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First, open your Instagram app. Then tap on the Reels section, or you can go to your saved section and open the reel of which you want to save the audio. To save audio, tap on the name of the audio under the name of the reel poster or tap here. Then tap on Save Audio. The audio is saved. Now to use the audio in your story, the problem is that you can't use the audio directly in your story. I will show you two methods in which you can use the saved audio in your story indirectly. The first method is to tap on Upload. Then tap on Reels, make a reel or select from your gallery. Then tap on Audio, tap on Save. Select the audio you want to use. Tap on Done. Tap on Preview. Tap on Next. Turn on or off Share to Feed. Then tap on Share. You can also make another Instagram account and make a reel with the saved audio if you don't want to post a reel on your main Instagram account. Now share this reel on your story. It will look like you have used saved audio in your story. Now let's see the second method. This method is better than the first, but it might be against YouTube's guidelines. So as for educational purposes, I will tell you in short. What you have to do is first screen record or download the reel of which audio you want to use in your story. Then use a video to audio converter. Then add the audio to the video or photo through a video editor. And then post it to your story. So this is how you can use saved audio in your Instagram stories.